Recently, we have found a very encouraging list of possibilities in the Northeast for certain critical and strategic minerals. We have found evidences of vanadium, cobalt, maybe graphite, lithium. In fact, vanadium is one type of metal जो इंडिया में बिल्कुल नहीं है, and maybe Northeast has some of that. Before I dwell into what are these, let me explain ये difference क्या है between what are critical minerals and what are rare earth elements, and importantly what are rare earth minerals. The critical and strategic minerals होते हैं, they are those which are required for the new age future technologies. से aerospace में हुआ, डिफेंस टेक्नोलॉजीज में हुआ, ईवी में हुआ, सेमीकंडक्टर्स में हुआ, एंड दीज मिनरल्स में इंडिया ज्यादा अबंडेंट है नहीं. वी डिपेंड ऑन इंपोर्ट्स एंड डिसरप्शंस ऑफ सप्लाई चेन्स कैन इंपैक्ट इंडियाज फ्यूचर डेवलपमेंट आल्सो. रिसेंटली चाइना ने बैन कर दिया सर्टेन कोबाल्ट बेस्ड मैग्नेट्स जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है फॉर ईवी टेक्नोलॉजीज. सो इंडिया इज इंक्रीजिंगली ट्राइंग टू सिक्योर इट्स सप्लाई ऑफ क्रिटिकल मिनरल्स फ्रॉम अफ्रीका, फ्रॉम पार्ट्स ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड इवन साउथ अमेरिका. नाउ इन कंट्रास्ट what we have done is as a part of National Critical Minerals Mission 2025 में इंडिया ने एक लंबा लिस्ट निकाल दिया है. What are the critical minerals? And interestingly इसमें ग्राफाइट, लिथियम, निकल included है. Plus we also have some minerals like potash हैं, phosphates हैं, which are important for fertilizer industry also. So my recommendation वो लिस्ट आप पक्का देखें because some of them we don't expect them to be in the critical minerals. जैसे कि germanium हुआ, silicon भी is considered as one of the important critical minerals. In contrast, what are rare earth elements? Rare earth elements एक category of elements हैं periodic table में called as lanthanides. इसमें 15 elements आते हैं. Plus we add 2 more elements called as scandium and also yttrium. ये lanthanides नहीं है but they're called as heavy rare earth elements. एक third category है called as rare earth minerals. Rare earth minerals have rare earth elements in them. But ये minerals जो हैं ये compounds हैं, ये sands हैं. 4 main rare earth minerals are monazite sands, we have got loperites, we have xenotime, and we have bastnasites. These minerals are source of thorium, titanium, they are source of lanthanum, which are otherwise important as critical metals also. And remember, इनका governance बहुत अलग है. We have one umbrella act called as MMDR 1957 that covers all these minerals except the atomic minerals. पहले atomic minerals का list बहुत लंबा था and they are part of Atomic Energy Act of 1962. Now they have released some metals from atomic minerals. जैसे कि now we do not talk about deuterium, we do not talk about plutonium. अब जो main Atomic Mineral Act में रह गया है that is uranium and thorium. So have some idea about कि how these minerals are classified, उनकी क्या importance है and how the governance is different. And 2 interesting facts. Number 1 is India में जो rare earth mineral abundant है वो monazite sands हैं. And monazite sand is source of titanium and thorium mainly, and uranium is not considered as one of the rare earth elements.